Welcome to my new video. This is Oche Mobile Tech. My dear technicians, this is a Vivo phone brought to me by a customer, and it's complaining that when they switch on the phone will on for a while and then switch off back. So I have checked the phone and I've come to discover that it is a fuse resistor on the battery that is the issue. And how do I know? Because the phone keeps switching on and off, and at times it will just go off. But when I plug the charger, you see that it is charging perfectly. And when it is charging like that and then you power it on, it's going to on completely without any issue. But the moment you unplug the charger, it's going to go off. You can see that the battery is even charged at least to some percent. You can see now. Let's power it on. Now wait. I've triggered the phone, so now it's powering on now. You can see it's going to boot on completely. But if I unplug the charger, it's going to trip off. The phone will go off automatic once I remove the charger. So that is how I've got to know that it is a fuse resistor, because some people might think that it is a powerless. Meanwhile, it is not a powerless. So when a phone is misbehaving like this, the first thing I would like you to do is plug in your charger first and power it on before you can start troubleshooting and know where the fault is coming from. You can see that it has booted up completely. You can see that I'm operating it. You can see it is working. You can see that it is working perfectly. But now let me unplug the charger. You see that it has gone off. Can you see? Can you see it? And it has come on by itself. Can you see that it's rebooting itself without the charger? So now we are going to fix this, because that fuse resistor is broken. That is why the current is supplying is not much, and that is why the phone is switching on and off, and at times it will on, but it will not boot. So now I want to remove the battery now so that we can fix it together. So let's go. My dear technicians, please watch this carefully. And some of the fuse resistors like this, they are on the PCB also. So it's not only on the battery that you can see a fuse resistor, but on the battery. So now let me switch on the light. Let me switch on my light so that you can see it clearly. So you can see the fuse resistor. So there can be fuse resistor on the PCB also. So it's not only on the battery. So when you fix the battery and the problem still persists, you still troubleshoot and check down to the PCB to find out where the problem is coming from. But for this one, it is from the fuse resistor on the battery. So now I want to connect it with my LED. I don't want to use any wire in this work, so I just want to use my LED alone and fix this. So my dear technicians, take a look at this. So be careful, because this is battery. Be careful so that you don't bridge it and then spoil the battery. You can see I'm done. Can you see? You can see that I'm done connecting it. I don't want to remove the fuse resistor. Just want to connect it directly. You can see. If you see another fuse resistor, you can replace it. But since I don't have, I prefer to connect it this way. Okay. You might say, won't it damage the battery? No, because there is a circuit for the battery, so it will not damage the battery. Okay, you can see. So before I couple it, let me put a sellotape there so that it doesn't make contact with the body of the battery, in order to avoid partial contact. So let me use a paper tip and then put on the connection I've made. So you can see. So now let's test it now and see if it's going to work. All right. So now, my dear technicians, please, when a work comes your way, please take your time to troubleshoot and know exactly what is wrong with the device. Okay, take your time to troubleshoot and know exactly where it's coming from. So now I have powered on the phone. You can see. So let's wait a little. Let the phone boot up. Let the phone boot up. Okay, let it boot up. Let's wait patiently. Let it boot up, and then you will see that it is actually from the fuse resistors. So let's wait. Let's wait a little, because fuse resistors are, according to the name, as you can hear, it is actually a fuse. So you can see that it has booted up. So the work of a fuse resistor is to protect the voltage coming from the battery into the phone, so that if it is over, the fuse will cut and then protect both the battery and the phone. You can see that it is working perfectly. So thanks for watching this video, and see you again in my next video. Bye bye for now. I love you all.